Hello, everybody. How are you guys doing? So today we're gonna learn about the conversation for accommodation booking, everybody. So if you guys want to go to the South Korea and wants to like have some nice accommodations, then you have to know how to reserve the accommodation so you guys can go to another place with a really like a comfortable mind, right? So you guys ready? I'm gonna show you right now. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay. So this is our first today, our slide for today. Speaking with the conversation for accommodations booking. Okay, so for the accommodation, we can say like this. 숙소. 숙소. 숙소 is the accommodation actually. Okay, so 숙소 means like a accommodation. Okay, so accommodation, you can say 숙소. 숙소. Well, writing is the 숙소, but we usually just use it like a 숙소. The 숙소. 숙소. Okay, but you don't need to like emphasize the name like 숙소, but usually speaking like a 숙소. All right. How about the reserve booking? How you can say? You can say with 예약. 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 Then what is going to be the accommodation booking? It's going to be added together. How is it then? 숙소 예약. 숙소 예약. 숙소 예약. 숙소 예약. Okay? All right. Okay, then let's go to the conversations. Okay, if you want to say, I want to reserve some accommodations from the customer, then how you can say, 숙소 좀 예약하려고요. 숙소 좀 예약하려고요. 숙소 좀 예약하려고요. But if you want to speaking, then it's gonna be 숙소 좀 예약하려고요. 숙소 좀 예약하려고요. 숙소 좀 예약하려고요. Slow down a bit. 숙소 좀 예약하려고요. 숙소 좀 예약하려고요. 숙소 좀 예약하려고요. Then it's gonna be then hotel's gonna tell you like, okay, say how many people? How many people? You can say 몇 명이신가요? 몇 명이신가요? 몇 is like how many, and people. When you're counting the people, you can using some 명. Okay? 몇 명이신가요? 몇 명이신가요? Slow down a bit. 몇 명이신가요? 몇 명이신가요? 면 is more close to 면 with the speaking. So 몇 명이신가요? 몇 명이신가요? 몇 명이신가요? 몇 명이신가요? 몇 명이신가요? 몇 명이신가요? Okay? Then you can answer with this one. Okay, 두 명이요. 두 명이요. This one is also the native Korean. Counting version is going to be the native Korean, but changing form. If you want to know about the changing form with the counting version, you can check our previous class with the basic class. Okay, so two people. Actually, two is the 둘, right? 둘, but we have a like changing form version. So with that one, it's gonna be changed to what? 두. So you can say 두 명이요. 두 명이요. So they're supposed to be the couple, right? So let's say like how say like 4 people. 4 is the native Korean with the 넷. But actually, if you want to speak with the changing form, it's gonna be 네. So it's gonna be 네 명이요. 네 명이요. Okay, so you have to know the words the exactly the changing form is. Okay, so please also rewatching the like our previous basic class. Okay, let's go. What type of room you want? They were gonna ask you, right? Then they were gonna say 어떤 방 찾으세요? 어떤 방으로 드릴까요? 이것도 있고요. Sorry guys. 어떤 방으로 드릴까요? This is also have it, but 어떤 방 찾으세요? So 어떤 방 is like what kind of room, what type of room. 찾으세요, you looking for or you want. So 어떤 방 찾으세요? 어떤 방 찾으세요? 어떤 방 찾으세요? One more time. 어떤 방 찾으세요? Faster. 어떤 방 찾으세요? 어떤 방 찾으세요? Alright. 어떤 방 찾으세요? Then you can answer it, right? I'm gonna tell you which one is the first. I'm gonna tell you first what type of room they have. Actually, in the South Korea, we're also using some like following some English word. Let's say like if we want to take some like suite room, then you can just say suite room 주세요. Suite room, or like they have like a specific word for their room title. Okay, so you can just read that one, and you can just say something like 주세요, something like this. Yeah, we're gonna learn it later, but for this one is the like general things, guys. This is the general things. So normal classroom is gonna be the 일반실. 일반실. 일반 means the normal, everybody. So normal. So class is 실. So like places, place, and you can say normal class is 일반실. 일반실. How about the special class? You can say special room. Yeah, normal room. Yeah, room is gonna be fine. Yeah, sorry guys. So room. So special room, like a more bigger size. How you can say 특실. 특실. All right. Special room means 특실. Actually, special is like 특별하다, but we just using some one specific word with a simplified word, so we can just using with the another words together. So 특실 is gonna be the special room. 특실. So if you want to say, then if you want to say like give me the normal room, please, then how you can say? Normal room was what? 일반실. Then you can please give me was what? 주세요. Then you can just add it together. How you can say that? 일반실 주세요. 일반실 주세요. 일반실 주세요. 일반실 주세요. 일반실 주세요. Okay? Super easy. Then they were gonna ask you how long you will stay. How long you will stay. Then you can speak with 얼마나 지내실 건가요? 얼마나 how long 지내실 건가요? You will stay. 얼마나 지내실 건가요? 얼마나 지내실 건가요? Slow down a bit. 얼마나 지내실 건가요? 얼마나 지내실 건가요? 얼마나 지내실 건가요? Faster. 얼마나 지내실 건가요? 얼마나 지내실 건가요? Okay. Then you're gonna answer, right? I'm gonna give the example first. Let's say we want to say 3 nights, 4 days, please. Then you can say 3박 4일이요. 3박 4일이요. Okay, for the counting, you can use, or for the night and days, you can using some Sino counting version. So Sino is based on the what is it, China's pronunciations. Okay, so 3박 4일이요. Night is the 박. Okay, night is 박, and day is 일. So 3 is 삼 with the senior version, right? 삼 and night is 박, 삼박, and four is 사 with the senior version, and day is gonna be what? 일. So 사일. If you add it together, 삼박 사일이요. 삼박 사일이요. Okay? So if you want to speak it, if you want to speak with the writing version, you can say 삼박 사일이요. It's kind of difficult, right? Then how you can say 삼박 사일이요. 삼박 사일이요. 삼박 사일이요. 삼박 사일이요. 삼박 사일이요. Okay, let's go. Next one. How you, then they're gonna ask you, oh, what time you gonna check? What time you will check in? What time you will check in? How you can say 몇 시에 체크인 하실 건가요? Check-in. For the check-in, we are just using something exactly the same word. Check-in. But with the Korean, of course, with the Korean pronunciation, check-in. So, what time you will check in? You can say 몇 시에 체크인 하실 건가요? 몇 시에 체크인 하실 건가요? 몇 시에 체크인 하실 건가요? That is the writing version. But if you want to say with the speaking, you can say 몇 시에 체크인 하실 건가요? A bit faster. 몇 시에 체크인 하실 건가요? One more time. 몇 시에 체크인 하실 건가요? A bit faster. 몇 시에 체크인 하실 건가요? 몇 시에 체크인 하실 건가요? Then you can say with the time, right? For the time, you can, I will give the example with this one. 3 p.m., how you can say, p.m. was what? 오후. And with the counting version, you also need to using some native Korean version with the counting, changing form as well. So, 오후 셋, 3, 셋. But changing form is what? 세. So, 오후 3시. 오후 3시. Hour is gonna be 시. Okay. So if you want to know about this one, you can check our basic class with the counting. Okay. So 오후 3시요. 오후 3시요. 오후 3시요. 오후 3시요. 오후 3시요. All right. Don't forget, everybody. And then we're going to ask for the last one. Please check out before the 2 p.m. This is like a general comments, right? How they can say 12시 전에 체크아웃 해주세요. 12시 전에 체크아웃 해주세요. 12시 전. It means before 12 p.m. And please check out 해주세요. Please check out. That's the action, right? So please check out before the 12 p.m. 12시 전에 체크아웃 해주세요. 12시 전에 체크아웃 해주세요. Slow down a bit. 12시 전에 체크아웃 해주세요. 12시 전에 체크아웃 해주세요. Faster. 12시 전에 체크아웃 해주세요. Then it's gonna be the conversation is gonna be finished. Okay? It's kind of difficult, isn't it? So don't worry, guys. We're gonna review again. Okay? So basically, if you go to the South Korea, you need to book your accommodations, right? So this is gonna be really useful to you. So if you can like speak this one fluently, then you might be getting like discount or something. Hopefully. Okay, so we just learned about the conversation for accommodation for booking for today. Okay, so for the accommodation, how you can say 숙소, 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 숙소. Okay, for the booking, how you can say 예약, 예약, reserve, 예약, reservation. Okay. not a reservation. Okay. So yeah, you can say 예약. Okay. Okay, let's go to the conversation. You want to say, I want to reserve some book. I want to book I want to book the accommodation. Then how you can say, how many people? No. 숙소 좀 예약하려고요. 숙소 means accommodation. 좀 is like a decoration word. 숙소 좀 I want to reserve. 예약하려고요. Slow down a bit. 숙소 좀 예약하려고요. 숙소 좀 예약하려고요. 숙소 좀 예약하려고요. Then they were gonna ask you how many people. Then you can you can speak with the Korean with 몇 명이신가요? 몇 명이신가요? 몇 명 is like how many. 몇 is like how many, and people you can counting with the 명. So 몇 명이신가요? 몇 명이신가요? Writing version is 몇 명이신가요? But it's kind of difficult to pronounce it, right? So 몇 명이신가요? You can pronounce like this. 몇 명이신가요? 몇 명이신가요? 몇 명이신가요? All right. How about the answer? You can say two people. This is just an example, okay? As I told you before, if you want to using some counting for the, if you want to use the counting form with the counting the people, you have to use the native Korean, but with the changing form. As I mentioned it before, the counting all the different kind of counting version is already uploaded at the basic class video. Okay, please check it over there. So how you can say with the two people, you can say 두 명이요. 두 명이요. 두 명이요. 두 명이요. 두 명이요. Then it means two people. Okay, then they're gonna ask you what type of room you want. What kind of room you want? You can say 어떤 방 찾으세요? 어떤 방 찾으세요? 어떤 방 is what type of room? You 찾으세요 means like you looking for. You want, you can say 원하세요. You also can say like this, but this one is also can be general, like a comment. Okay, so what type of room you want? You can say 어떤 방 찾으세요. Slow down a bit. 어떤 방 찾으세요. 어떤 방 찾으세요. 어떤 방 찾으세요. Faster. 어떤 방 찾으세요. 어떤 방 찾으세요. All right, let's go. Let's go to the type of a room. I will give you the example first. For the normal room, you can say 일반실. Normal is 일반. Okay, so 일반실. 일반실. For the special room, how you can say 특실. Special, you can say 특별하다. And there's a simplified word with the one letter, which is 특. And you can add with the 실, which is room. So you can add it together with that is gonna be 특실. 특실. Normal room, 일반실, special room, 특실. Okay, but don't forget, guys. Most of the hotel or like another accommodation, they have like their own private room title. Okay, so let's say like, we want to go to the suite rooms, suite room, please, and they will just say suite room 주세요, suite room 주세요, or like I don't know, purple room 주세요. Any like any different kind of room they have it. Okay, there's a lot of different kind of rooms, so you guys can just choose it over there. Okay, so another one. Please give me, okay, so we will just gonna use the normal room for the example. Then how you can say, give me the, please give me the normal room, please, please give me the normal room. How you can say, 일반실 주세요. 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 Alright? Then how you can say, how long you will stay? How long you will stay? They were going to ask you, right? Then how you can say, 얼마나 지내실 건가요? 얼마나, how long 지내실 건가요? You will stay. 얼마나 지내실 건가요? Slow down a bit. 얼마나 지내실 건가요? One more time. 얼마나 지내실 건가요? A bit faster. 얼마나, pause a bit, 지내실 건가요? One more time. 얼마나 지내실 건가요? Alright? How about the faster? 얼마나 지내실 건가요? 얼마나 지내실 건가요? Then let's say with example with 3 nights, 4 days. How you can say 3박 4일이요. 3박 4일이요. For the night, you can count with the 박. And day, you can say 일. For the counting version, we're using some sino for the date. How for the like date you stay with the counting with the sino version based on the Chinese pronunciations. So 3 is going to be what? 3. 4 is going to be 4. So 3박 4일이요. 3박 4일이요. 3박 4일이요. 3박 4일이요. 3박 4일이요. Okay? Then they were going to ask you, what time you will check in? What time you will check in? How you can say, 몇 시에 체크인 하실 건가요? We using some check-in exactly the same word with the English, okay? So 몇 시에 체크인 하실 건가요? 몇 시에 체크인 하실 건가요? Slow down a bit. 몇 시에 체크인 하실 건가요? One more time. 몇 시에 체크인 하실 건가요? Faster. 몇 시에 체크인 하실 건가요? 몇 시에 체크인 하실 건가요? Okay. Then you can say blah blah p.m. please. Because usually the Korea accommodation is also like you can check in after the 2 p.m. So let's say 3 p.m. please. Then now you can say p.m. is 오후. So 오후, this is also counting using with the native Korean, also with changing form as well. Then how you can say 오후 3시요. 오후 3시요. 오후 3시요. 오후 pause 3시요. So if you speak faster, 오후 3시요. 오후 3시요. 오후 3시요. Okay? Then the last one, how you can say, please check out before the 12 p.m. How you can say, 12시 전에 체크아웃 해주세요. 12시 전에 체크아웃 해주세요. 12시 전에 before 12 p.m. 체크아웃 please 해주세요. 12시 전에 체크아웃 해주세요. For the p.m. we also using some counting version with the native Korean, right? So 12시 전에 체크아웃 해주세요. 12시 전에 체크아웃 해주세요. Okay? That is the how you can speak out. All right? How is it, guys? Is it difficult? Yes, it's kind of long conversation, isn't it? But this one is the really like important things if you want to book some accommodations in the Korea. Okay? So how is it, everybody? So it's kind of a difficult conversation, but if you like memorize this one, then you can book any place in the another place in the South Korea. Okay? Of course, like some places really developed it So you guys can also just stay at the hotel, like Hilton Hotel or whatever, really like a really famous hotel. But if you also wants to try with the like Korean traditional, like a traditional house or traditional apartment or Airbnb or something, then you have to know about this one. So you can check out with the, you can like have a conversation with their house owner or like a, their, or like a, what is it? Small hotel spas. Okay. So hope you guys can understand what this one. And if you guys still can't understand it, you can attend our practical class. Okay. Then thank you for the watching and see you at our practical class, everyone. Bye bye, guys. Pew.